Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar here, and here you have the button Screen Recorder. Tap on it once and recording will start. Let's record some of our screen. And then you have to tap on this red button here to stop recording. You can also access some of its settings by holding your finger on it and then tapping on the gear icon here. And here you can change your video resolution, you can change its quality here, you can select its orientation, sound source, you can fix frame rate and other options. And you can find your recording in gallery. In the Screen Recorder album. And here it is, our recording. And from here you can share, edit or delete it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.